Switch Fiber, their lone loss, yung kanilang previous game nga against their rival of Antipolo as De La Cruz opens up the scoring festivities with that fast break layup.
Sometimes doon mo ma-define kung anong klaseng team when things don't go your way rather.
And naka-apat na kapit naman sila and so far magandang responde nila dito.
Yung masatisfy mo na agad yung big man mo dahil mas mabigat ang trabaho nila. They're gonna rebound, they're gonna set screens for you. Sila rin ang didepensa dyan sa ilalim. So alam mo yung mapasaya mo man lang muna bago sila
sa kabila. Tison. Long bomb off the glass.
I wasn't sure if intended talaga yan.
All courtesy of Santino Tison. Hindi makakabawi sa kabila. Takbuhan muli. Tison ahead of the pack. Finishes with the left.
Such a crafty player itong si...
We find Elvin Pascual inside.
Ganda ng misdirect.
Counted move brought to us by Pound for Pound Fitness. Experience the pound effect. Turnover na naman para sa Rizal. As Tison, bit too fast for his own good. Ano naman nung galaw na yun? Kontra-tiyempo. Tadeus Angeles. After that 7-2 start para sa Rizal Switch Fiber, Davao naman ang lamang dito ng isa. But Ramos babawiin para sa Rizal, 11-10 now.
Yung mga jump shots.
Bukas na bukas nga si Ramos in that instance. Short stab. Sweet looking stroke para kay Johan Boligan.
I like that play, small.
Nice steal there. Kaso, binato rin muli kay Angeles. Spin cycle. Can finish off the glass. Tamayo though with offensive rebound and put back.
Tamayo not only provides
up with it. Gets the bump. Ooh! What a finish! Chris Philippian.
That was full court na heave na pumasok.
Gitalado was the one in Alonte.
And I would argue.
Fian once again. Nahuli siya this time but Paras. Short as well. Third opportunity. Paras this time making sure.
And Paras, no, always gonna give up on that play.
Up by 4 now is Davao as Angeles missing on that three. Tamayo, strong rebound. And another
ball game.
Has that nose for the ball as well. Finishing that 3-point play. Kaya pala ganun yung mga players ni Coach Melo. Okay.
Oo, kaya kahit may bantay, tumitiran 3 points.
When in doubt Short, Tamayo, another rebound. Takbo dito ang Rizal. Abukot with Adukot.
And that's the value of having a good rebounder.
At 7 in our first quarter alone. After that platoon substitution dito para sa Rizal. Pagpalitan sila ng kalamangan dito sa Davao all-win feeds. Able to stay in it. This 4-1 result.
Corner namin ni Coach Mark yan at makapag-bless.
Si Ninong Balahadia gets a finish on the other end. Extends the lead now to 2-22. I mean, say it or not say it. Parang nandyan
Yeah. And knowing Coach Benji, no, hindi naman niya pinipressure, pinipilit talaga mag-basketball yung mga anak niya. At the end of the day, it's all about making a name for yourself. Yun din naman ang ginawa ni Kobe, yun din ang ginawa ni Andre, and I'm sure Sam will be no different.
Rizal finally hits on their three-pointer, their first of the game. Switch Fiber. Asking for it. Nice fake by Yaya. Finally breaking the silence for both teams.
Kanang job to bring this lead closer to 2.
25-23 now. Baon will try once again. Gets his second three-pointer off the game. Safe to say, maraming baon si Baon. Mahuhulog para kay Baon. That's 8 now. All week, Coach Meno. And parang akala mo normal na ano lang Very, very humble. Naging mararamdaman mayak.
Infamous same foot land. Na huling-huli na ngayon parati ng mga officials natin.
Paras showing us his strength. Para short though on that bonus free throw as Javier cleans it up. 5 points in their previous game as well. Nice anticipation. Getting that finish is Chris Fian. It was high scoring first quarter that we had, 20-19. Abante ng isang Rizal at the end of our first 10 minutes. And itong Davao, medyo inalat sila in that second quarter, but had enough of a run to avoid Rizal. Para sa Rizal to open up this third quarter. That's turnover number 9 now para sa kanila. Lagancia, first time in this ball game, instant init. 3-pointer kagad ang ipupukol. Dahan-dahang ginapang na naman ang Davao Alwyn feeds. Reliora inside will miss. Teyok, isang kamay na lang ginamit.
Oh, you were looking for this. Paras trying to stop that play. Was able to have a couple of blocks pero hindi naman kakayanin lahat no? Kailangan din ng tulong on the defensive end.
Speaking of letting that finish after that bump. Great body control.
Sila'y matalo. At paalala niya sa kanyang mga player na bawat...
Coach Melo, how does this team respond from a loss? Ayaw din muna nga namang damdamin masyado ng mga bata.
Yeah.
This is the first time they had it here in season number 2.
And I like the approach. Nag-break muna from basketball because sometimes you want to take away the pressure sa mga players. Ito because at 14, dapat ini-enjoy muna nila yung laro eh.
Here comes up with it. Kick out. Lagancia straight away. Gets another one.
And patuloy nga. Yung panat.
Baon. Able to hit on a couple of threes in the first half. Tamayo. But that stroke from this kid.
Oo. Ang ganda ng patience nila. Very
But stolen by Paras. Into this break, Buligan back in the ball game as well. They can't hit underneath, but Valenzuela making sure that time around.
ganda ng adjustment. Pag-clean up job itong si Valenzuela.
Sabukot for 3. Splashes it home.
Nangyayari yung mga safe na outlet passes.
Takbo tayo sa kabila. Abukot with a layup.
Speaking of being safe, kanyang layup despite the challenge.
Paras free underneath. It's way off. Rizal. Sila naman may pagkakataon. Angeles, pinakita ang bola kay Valenzuela.
Nice move para sa kanya.
4:50-46. Some highlights here in the third quarter. Uminit. Si Lagancia leading scorers para sa Davao naman with 8 all here in the third quarter. At Abukot, Teyok, Tamayo, and the rest of the results which 5 Geltison. But Rizal, no? Kahit na biglang yung isang fourth quarter resumes mula dito sa Antipolo City Sports Hub. I'm Emmanuel, kasama pa rin Coach Melo Navarro alongside Renoa Sanchez. Bringing reaction of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL season number 2.
Able to keep themselves within striking distance but couldn't get the lead yet.
Naman yung galaw ni Tison, no?
Mga galaw niya eh.
Flex yan eh, kahit di na-shoot. Tison once again. Lamang na dito ang Davao ng dalawa, 52-50. Ko nga kanina kasi after that 7-point first quarter, we have yet to feel itong prowess ni Santino Tison. Abukot, munti kang maagawan. Abukot pa rin. Nice pass to the streaking Tadeos Angeles.
Good that corner. Nilapitan niya yung kanyang cut doon kaya naman nakakuha siya ng floater.
Makakakuha pa nga siya ng agaw dito. And the finish, back-to-back baskets para kay Tadeos Angeles.
Kung Meti.
Teyok. He goes underneath. Gets the ball back.
Finally.
Fourth period. Spian. Loses the basketball, recovered by De La Cruz. Challenged by Paras, but still able to finish.
Oh, what a good shot by Sam Paras. Ito naman Davao, turnovers not helping their cause.
Nakakaagaw pa nga si Angeles. Wala nang babaan. Lead up to 10 once again, 62-52.
Ang bilis nung runs, no? Especially ni
Tendilla gets another one. Jacob Tendilla now has 6.
the last few sequences all of a sudden, no? Kanina nakalamang na itong Davao but right now 12 na itong nabuong kalamangan ng Rizal. Make that 14.
Steo has a lot of challenges dito para sa Davao. As they come up with another steal. Angeles once again another basket.
4 times this game, no? Naitatapon nila yung bola because of those.
Here comes Tison. Gets the finish, the bang on the bucket.
Tall mountain to climb para sa kanila dito, but you gotta start somewhere. Itong si Tison, definitely that mark.
That move brought to us by Pungan. Get it to Tison once again. Head of steam. Sidesteps his way through. 5 straight para kay Santino. Steps back. This time, pupukol. Look at that stroke.
Oh,
3 3-pointers now para kay Lagancia.
And I'm sure
Your norm, yung kung baga kung ano yung sistema talaga na gusto mong pairalin. As Angeles answers on the other end.
sabi ni Angeles.
Looking ahead, finds De La Cruz. Tamayo can finish off the glass. De La Cruz though. Remaining. Lagancia trying to find Tison. The turnovers really hurting itong Davao.
Important, and they threw the ball away.
Paras, keyhole jumper. Gets it to go.
Good shot para dito kay Sam Paras. When he develops that shot and makes it consistently.
Under steal para sa Davao as Buligan. Great fake and finish. It's in white. Lead still at 7. Tamayo extends it to 9.
Oh, what a great pass.
The result, Switch Fiber will hold on for this 8-point victory, 77-69, moving to 5-1.